Welcome, replay viewers. This is Winter Storm Jonas, 2016. It is January 23rd. It is Saturday. Now back to the live views. How's it going, everyone? I see we have... Okay, no one. Hey, Jennifer. How's it going? As it go, the snow is coming down at a good pace. It's already collecting, as you can see, on the grass areas, cement, and cars. And as you can probably hear, it's that type of snow, so it's probably good for snowmen and snowball fights. Yeah, I could probably make a snowball right now out of just couple of, well, not really, it's basically a wet snow right about now, as you can see. But I'm thinking about tomorrow morning, like around mid-AM hours, the snow will begin in earnest as the blizzard conditions will start. I didn't expect for the snow to start until like around 6, 7, 8 a.m. in the morning, but it started early, as you can see. And by that time, whenever I wake up, I may venture out a little bit, maybe walk around, see how the snowstorm is faring. Damn, snow's getting on my phone. Can't do the touchscreen right now. Oh, repeat what you said, Jen? Sorry, I missed what you said. Wonder if I could zoom in now. I had a problem doing that before. Oh, I can. Nice. I guess I had to touch the screen in order to zoom in, other than touching buttons. Not much snow here. Rain expected early next week. Really? You're gonna get rain next week? It's gonna warm up that much? It's like I need a tissue or something. Wait, 4 degrees Celsius. What's that in Fahrenheit? I hate when a touchscreen has to be to zoom in. Nope, that to stop the broadcast. Wait, that one. Crap. I think it just lost me because I'm trying to clean up the touchscreen so I could zoom out. Oh wait, never mind. I see what I did. Sorry about that. Now that's a good view. I'm actually surprised that the snow started early, like it did, like around what the hell? What time was it? 8, 9 o'clock p.m. Excuse me. Okay, let me go out in the street. Get your perspective on how the road is right now. I'm assuming in 10 or 12 hours, the road conditions is gonna be messed up, and I think the MTA might shut down, but we're gonna wait word from Mayor de Blasio. But that might be in the AM hours, in the mid-morning. And who else joined me here? Rattlesnake, Nikki Jones, how's it going? The heck was that? Eight viewers. Lewis, DJ Danny, how's it going? Welcome to my Periscope, my first snow scope of 2016. And we are live in Queens, New York, the neighborhood Lindenwood. Just want to give you a quick rundown on what's going on currently and what I'm going to do on the next Periscope. When the snow really begins in earnest, I'm going to Periscope on how heavy the snow is falling and how much snow we're collecting. Also, I'm hoping, this is wishful thinking, this blizzard brings thunder snow. I've experienced thunder snow before, but not the way I can remember. I was like a little younger and didn't understand what was happening while it was snowing. So, since I'm older and wiser, I'm hoping to experience it and maybe do a Jim Cantori type reaction. That's my number one goal from this blizzard that's going to start tomorrow. It is 12:33 a.m. on the east coast of New York City, in the borough of Queens, where I live. I hope everyone's enjoying the view, wherever you are coming from, wherever you're watching from. And yeah, right now it's beautiful, but it will get ugly tomorrow morning. Alright, well, like the title said, it's only gonna be like a few minutes, but I'll probably spend like more than 10 minutes on here. So, I'll be back, like I said, whenever I wake up, and I'll stop periscoping, maybe walk around the neighborhood, braving the blizzard, and yeah, and document what's going on. So, to all my periscopers, I hope you have a good night, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, and see you next time. See ya.